is Cindy, and today's project is for Peggy Robinson's Everyday Art Hop. She's doing a video hop, so there's a bunch of us doing videos, and after you watch mine, you can go to the next link down in the, down there, down below, and click to the next video, and so on and so on and so on until you've gone through them all, because there'll be lots of great things to look at. But I was thinking about this. What should I do? Usually I paint paintings, and I've gotten into doing really large paintings recently, but sometimes you don't feel like doing a whole painting or doing something really big. So on those days, I will do something like little earrings or cards, something small, something fast and fun and small. And they're also good things to sell at art festivals. If you do art festivals, people like to purchase smaller, less expensive items. But today, what I'm going to do, I thought I'd do some refrigerator magnets. I have these little round pieces of wood. You can get them at Michael's, Walmart, anywhere. Let's see, I have 6 of them, so I'll make 6 magnets. And I'm going to start out by making some prints on my gel press plate. And I have this big one that's for scrapbook paper. So I'm going to make my prints on scrapbook paper. I just pulled out 3 pieces. I have a lot of scrapbook paper, but I've never been a scrapbooker. So when this plate became available, I was really happy because I thought, it's perfect. I can use some of the scrapbook paper. So I'm going to use that. I pulled out some larger stencils. So first I'm just going to, I'll put it on high speed and make some prints. And then we'll go from there, applying the prints and decorating our magnets. So here we go. So now I have four prints, and I apologize for the lighting. It's a really, really dark day, dark rainy day here in Florida. And if I put on a bunch of lights in my art room, then I'll get a lot of shadow. I see I'm getting shadows anyway, but doing the best that I can here. Anyway, so now I'm going to cut some circles out of my prints and adhere them to the wood with some Mod Podge. Before I adhere them to the wood, I'm going to take some sandpaper and just sand the edges a little bit so that they're smooth. But then I'll glue them on and come back and we'll do some doodling. Okay, now we have all of our little circles, all of our prints on our little circles, and let's do a little decorating. Okay, so I went around the edges with an oil pastel. I also put black paint around the edges and on the back. Now I am going to spray these with a high gloss sealer spray, and then I'll glue little magnets on the back like this. And when you buy magnets on a strip, or you can buy the little round ones, they come with an adhesive, but I find that you really need to add some extra glue so that they stay. Put it on like that, and you have a refrigerator magnet. Thank you so much for watching, and click the next link down below to see another project. And